Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're diving into homemade cookie side hustle to start your delicious business today. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over identifying your niche, setting up your niche, and more. Are you ready to turn your passion for baking into a sweet side hustle? In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of starting a homemade cookie business. You'll learn everything from choosing the right recipes to marketing your delicious creations. We'll cover essential tips on how to set up your business, manage your time effectively, and even navigate local regulations. Entrepreneurship is all about creativity, and baking is the perfect outlet for that. Each cookie you create is not just a treat, it's a canvas for your imagination. Whether you're experimenting with flavors or designing unique packaging, your creativity will shine through in every batch. But it's not just about making money, it's about sharing joy. There's something incredibly fulfilling about watching someone take a bite of your cookie and seeing their face light up with delight. In this journey, you'll not only be creating a business, but also spreading happiness one cookie at a time. So, grab your apron and let's dive into the delicious details of launching your homemade cookie side hustle. Identifying your niche, finding your unique cookie offerings is a crucial step in launching your homemade cookie business. Start by exploring various cookie types that resonate with you and your potential customers. Classic options like chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin are always crowd pleasers. But don't shy away from experimenting with gluten-free or vegan recipes to cater to diverse dietary needs. Identifying a target market for your cookies is equally important. Are you aiming to attract busy parents looking for quick snacks, health-conscious individuals seeking guilt-free treats, or perhaps those with a sweet tooth craving indulgent flavors? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your offerings to meet their preferences and needs. To truly stand out in a competitive market, consider experimenting with unique flavors and ingredients. Think outside the box. How about a lavender-infused cookie or a spicy chocolate chip? By offering something different, you'll not only capture attention, but also create a memorable experience for your customers. So, take the time to explore, experiment, and define your niche, and you'll be well on your way to baking success. Setting up your kitchen. Preparing your kitchen for cookie baking is an essential step to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. First, let's talk about the essential baking tools and equipment you'll need. Make sure you have a reliable mixer, measuring cups and spoons, mixing bowls, baking sheets, and parchment paper. A cooling rack is also crucial for letting your cookies cool properly. Next, maintaining a clean and organized workspace is vital. Before you start baking, take a moment to clear your countertops and gather all your ingredients and tools. This not only helps you work efficiently, but also minimizes the risk of accidents. A tidy kitchen allows you to focus on creating delicious cookies without distractions. Safety and hygiene practices are equally important in your baking journey. Always wash your hands before handling food and keep your workspace sanitized. Be mindful of cross-contamination, especially if you're using ingredients like nuts or gluten. By following these guidelines, you'll create a safe and inviting environment for your cookie production, setting the stage for baking success. Creating your recipes. Developing your signature cookie recipes is one of the most exciting parts of starting your homemade cookie business. Begin by encouraging yourself to experiment with different ingredients and techniques. Don't be afraid to mix and match flavors, such as adding a hint of sea salt to chocolate cookies or incorporating spices like cinnamon into classic recipes. This experimentation can lead to delightful surprises and unique creations that set your cookies apart. Balancing flavors and textures is key to a successful cookie. Aim for a harmonious blend of sweetness, saltiness, and acidity. Consider the texture as well. Combine chewy and crunchy elements by using both brown sugar and granulated sugar or adding nuts for a satisfying crunch. As you develop your recipes, it's essential to document them for consistency and future reference. Keep a dedicated notebook or digital file where you can jot down your ingredient measurements, baking times, and any adjustments you make. This will not only help you replicate your best cookies, but also allow you to refine your recipes over time. With creativity and careful documentation, you'll be well on your way to crafting signature cookies that customers will love. Marketing your cookies. Promoting your cookie business effectively is essential for attracting customers and building a loyal following. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook allow you to showcase your delicious creations through mouth-watering photos and engaging content. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your baking process, customer testimonials, and special promotions to connect with your audience and keep them coming back for more. In addition to social media, creating visually appealing packaging and branding can significantly enhance your cookie business. Invest time in designing eye-catching labels and packaging that reflect your brand's personality. Unique packaging not only protects your cookies, but also makes them more enticing to potential buyers. Don't overlook local events and farmers markets as excellent venues for selling your cookies. These gatherings provide a fantastic opportunity to meet customers face-to-face, offer samples, and build community connections. Plus, being part of local events can help you gain valuable exposure and feedback. By combining social media marketing, attractive branding, and local outreach, you'll create a strong presence for your cookie business and attract a dedicated customer base. Managing finances. Handling the financial aspects of your cookie business is crucial for long-term success. Start by understanding the importance of budgeting for ingredients and supplies. Create a detailed list of all the ingredients you'll need, along with their costs. This will help you estimate your overall expenses and ensure you're prepared for each baking session. Next, consider your pricing strategies to ensure profitability. When setting prices, factor in not only the cost of ingredients, but also your time, packaging, and any overhead expenses. Research similar products in your area to gauge competitive pricing, but don't undervalue your hard work. A well-thought-out pricing strategy will help you cover costs while still attracting customers. Finally, encourage tracking your sales and expenses for better financial management. Use simple spreadsheets or accounting software to keep a record of your income and expenditures. This practice will provide you with valuable insights into your business's financial health, helping you identify trends and make informed decisions. By budgeting wisely, pricing strategically, and tracking your finances, you'll set a solid foundation for your cookie business to thrive and grow. In conclusion, we've covered the essential steps to kickstart your homemade cookie side hustle. We began by discussing how to identify your niche, encouraging you to explore various cookie types and experiment with unique flavors. Next, we emphasized the importance of setting up your kitchen with the right tools and maintaining a clean workspace for successful baking. We also delved into creating your signature recipes, highlighting the need for balancing flavors and textures while documenting your creations for consistency. When it comes to marketing your cookies, we explored effective strategies like leveraging social media, creating appealing packaging, and participating in local events. Finally, We discussed managing your finances, focusing on budgeting, pricing strategies, and tracking sales and expenses. Now that you have all the tools and knowledge, it's time to take action and start your cookie business today. Remember, every great venture begins with a single step. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more baking tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow baking enthusiasts. Happy baking and best of luck on your delicious journey. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.